Hi guys, how are you? I going to make a video for subject pronouns. So subject pronouns in Spanish is just a fancy word that we use in languages to refer to I, you, she, he, they. So instead of saying the names all the time like Mario or Jackson or Hector, we just say he, instead of saying Maria or Olivia or Elizabeth, we say she. Instead of saying Marcos, Alfredo, and I will say we. So that is all it is, and I will show you the video right now and show you where the subject pronouns in Spanish go and what is like in Spanish and in English. Okay, let's talk about subject pronouns and how they work in Spanish. So like I said, subject pronouns are fancy word. It's a fancy word to say what we use instead of the name of a person. In English, for example, is I, you, instead of saying the name of a masculine person, or Mario. Francisco will be he, instead of saying the name of a girl or the feminine person, it would be she. So we is used for multiple people, including me. You all is for multiple people like Mario, Francisco, Javier, they, and you will see why I put it twice they. So they is bunch of people, can be boys, boys and girls. So we're gonna do a little lines so we can divide them. This line that I'm making is to divide the, like this one person. I is just one person. You is just one person. He is one person. She is just one person. So the other side is multiple people, right? We, you all, and they is more than one person. I in Spanish is yo. You in Spanish is tú. Make sure you put the accent mark. It's the little line on top of the U. He in Spanish is él. Again, little line of the E. She is ella. Very good. Now, we is nosotros. You all would be ustedes. So when you refer to just one person, you will say you, but referring more than you is you all. Like ustedes. They, if it's a bunch of boys, or also can be boys and girls, ellos. But it's a bunch of just girls, it would be ellas. Double L sounds like Y. Just remember that. In Spanish, we have extra two special pronouns, subject pronouns, that maybe you don't use it. But actually, you don't use it. One of them is usted. That is also you. You is tú or usted for one person. The difference is, well, usted is formal, very formal. You use usted in a formal way, and you use tú in very informal way. For example, a friend. An usted, a president. Here is Here are some of the examples. For two, a friend, amigo, or a pet, that means mascota in Spanish. I know it sounds like mascot, but also means mascot or pet. Then we have usted. That is very formal, so you speak to a doctor or to a teacher, maestro. Yeah, I know, doctor is doctor. So that is difference. Then we have another word that we just use in Spain, and that is the other you all. And remember, just is used in Spain. Everywhere else is ustedes. This one in Spain is vosotros. So ustedes is everywhere else in the world that speaks Spanish, and vosotros just in Spain. So it's why it's two Jews and two you alls. And two days because it's ellas and ellos. Now, see L has an accent mark because L with a little line in the top that is called accent mark is he. But without it is the. Now we have two. With an accent mark means you. Without it means yours. For example, tu casa, your house. Well, gracias for watching. This is my extra page, and you can watch this video as many times you want.